Hi everyone, I'm Emily and today I'll be making some cottagecore mushroom earrings. I accidentally forgot to press record, but what I did was I poured in some UV resin and then I put in these mushroom beads and then I placed a flat mold on top so that they would cure perfectly flat. And now that they're cured, I'm going to cut off all of the excess resin using some nippers and then I switched to scissors. And here are the finished mushroom ovals. I decided not to worry too much about air bubbles this time. I thought it would add a neat magical effect. And now I'm going to start working on the second half. I mixed some 2-part resin this time and I'm leaving it clear. And I've also got some fake moss, metal flower beads, dried flowers, and some more dried flowers. And I have some butterfly glitter as well. I'll start by pouring some of the resin, pretty much enough to fill the mold. And then I'll just start adding all of my little flowers and glitter bits. After a day, these ovals are cured and now it's time to demold them. Ta-da! I think going for the orange and green theme was a pretty good idea, and as you can see, the next step is to put the two halves together. But first I'm going to use some scissors to cut off all the excess resin. And now the pieces are ready to be attached. So I'm going to set them down on the mold. I have a really hard time picking where to lay them down for some reason. But eventually I find something that works. And now I'm just going to take a little bit of UV resin and use a paintbrush to brush it all around on both halves. once I get enough resin on one half, I'll put it into the mold with the top facing the side. And then I'll finish painting the other one. And then I'll fit that into the mold as well so that they're touching, and when they cure they'll be properly attached. Once the pieces were cured, I used my drill to add a hole for an eye screw. Then I added the eye screw in, of course. And then after that, I sanded down the edges and also the side where the mushroom was on, because some UV resin had spilled onto that. So I wanted to get it completely smooth. And then once I was done drilling, I got some UV resin and a paintbrush, and I'm going to glaze the whole piece so it's all perfectly shiny, and it's super satisfying to see the matte mushroom become shiny again. For the first minute of curing, I spin the piece around to prevent any drips from forming. And then after that minute's up, I let it fully cure under the lamp. And now it's finally time to assemble the earrings. So I've got my fully cured piece, jump rings, and earring hooks, and I also made some little pearls. I basically just strung some wire through them and made loops. So I'm going to attach the earring hook to the pearl, and then I'm going to attach the mushroom oval to the pearl as well. And here's one of the finished earrings. And here's both of the finished earrings. I absolutely love how these turned out. They're definitely one of my favorite projects so far. And they are available for sale on my Instagram, which you can message me to order. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!